Welcome to CAD Concept. Today we will design this wonderful elevation 10x faster and completely automatic. We will see how we can take it out. For this type of irregular floor plan, our elevation in one time. Must watch out completely. You will get amazing technique to make any kind of elevation in one time. So, without wasting time, let's begin. As you can see here, this floor plan we have. I want to take it out front elevation. But the problem is we are not getting rectangular. Completely irregular we are getting our front area. First I will take complete boundary. Okay. To take one time elevation. Something like this. This is our inner boundary. Okay. Now I will take command LM and come to here. Pick up in room. Single elevation. Index plan below. Your part plan will come below. Okay, story height 335, board thickness 20 cm, and here is cutting height 30, window height 150, window offset 120, door height 220. These are the parameters you can customize depending on your requirement. Just click one time inside. Okay. Now you are getting your inner boundary, something like this. We need front side. So let this leader point front side. Okay. And just click to take it out your complete elevation in one time. As you can see here, you are getting something like this. You are getting below plan. You can match through Excel. Whether no need to match, you will get as it is. Wherever we are getting window, door, whatever we have provided in parameter, we are getting something like this. Now we will provide automatic detailing for window, doors. Let this WDE command and come to here, rectangle to window. Okay. And select your window. We are getting number of 5 window. Okay. So this is our window area. So this bathroom we have, slide panel not required. Let this ADE command will provide door. Okay. Pick rectangle and just select your rectangle. This is our door. So we are getting something like this. These dimensions not required. Okay. We will provide leveling later on, auto level, and let this stretch interlocking up to here and this part up to here. We will provide skirting projection 5 cm. These are the things you can customize as per your design. Okay. Let this here also 5 cm. This is okay. We are getting something like this. We'll take this 5 cm more. Okay. Simply what we have to do. This area will go another side, same as it is. Select and mirror randomly. To take other side, we are getting over here. Let this move over the wall. Take 5 cm out. So this will come something like this. Let this stretch randomly. This is our interlock. Okay. And this will come something like this. And rest of the part simply trim. So we are getting something like this. We'll provide parapet detail and separate part detail. We are not getting exact one frame. We have multiple irregular shape, right? So your elevation will not come like this. What you have to do, simply, so this is our door entrance. This level will consider plus 15. Okay. Let this copy and keep it here. This is our roof slab level. Same again, copy down 15 cm. Okay. And here also parapet will keep 135. Minimum parapet you can keep 120. Okay. And we are getting double height because we have staircase. Let this 330 from slab. Okay. And stair parapet, let this 35. This area we are getting behind. We'll go double slab for staircase only. So wherever we are not getting rectangular, we are not getting straight through. So these are the lines will split your elevation shape. Your plan is not rectangular, so your elevation must be separate in this part. Okay, one line will come over here and one line will come over here as per plan. Okay, this is very important. So your elevation differentiating in 4 division. Okay, wherever front, back will come something like this. We will provide different color to understand clearly. Okay, now what we have to do, let this one projection area from here, okay, straight 90 centimeter, let this 5 centimeter. This thing you can customize as per your design, as per your, so let this randomly any projection design. Okay, and let this straight up to here with the exact parapet leveling what we have provided, 10 centimeter, and come to here again, let this one shape 5 and we'll keep straight to this level. Okay, so this will come something like this. Same we have to follow all around. Okay, simply we have to mirror this part. Okay, let this copy and keep it here. This is our parapet area. Copy again, we will come over here as a mirror. Take from center area, mirror, erase source object, no. So we are getting something like this over here also. So we are getting something like this. So this is our, just for design purpose, we have provided this width in between window to parapet. So this part will go continuous. This line differentiating your elevation, front side leveling. Okay, let this 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter more. This is okay. So this is our projection just for design purpose. Okay, and same here also 10 centimeter. It will come something like this. Later on we have to copy this projection wherever we are getting this division over the plan. Okay, as I said, simply take this projection and copy and keep it here. This will come something like this. Same again, copy and keep it here. Okay, it will come something like this. Now get this very carefully. Okay, we are getting another side, so this projection you have to copy. Okay, because your projection will go that side. So this is our division. We are getting 4 different level as per our plan. Okay, this concept very important. So our getting this complete elevation something like this. We are getting our complete elevation something like this. As I said, we will differentiate. This is back side. Again this part back side. Let this any random color which will look like professional and proper also. Same again, let this full part. Okay, this part also will come above. Let this any random color, we'll keep this one. Okay, so these 4 separate leveling we have. We are getting something like this. Okay, now we have to arrange stair level right? What we have to do, just we will take one straight to up straight line. From this, whatever we have provided, our level, copy and keep above. Okay, let this one straight line also over here and take complete. This part we are getting back side, our stair level. Okay, same again, take one Excel line from this reference. This wall will go continue up to stair level, right? Let this mirror and keep it over here. Now we are getting something like this. Same again, we'll provide our projection line, one here and one here also. This is our back side. It will look from front, something like this. Keep any light color. This is okay. We are getting something like this. Now what balance will provide hatching. Let this double D double X command and provide dimensions. Okay, we are getting our dimension something like this. We will provide auto level also. Let this BG command, press O to get initial level as a 0 0. This is okay. Plus 1 5 and 345, 480, 675, 710. So this is our level. We are getting something like this. Now I will provide hatching. Let this hatch. This is our skirting area and it will come here also. This is our skirting area. Okay, let this hatch edit and provide from here. Let this one. Okay, and we will scale all around. We are getting something like this. Let this double H U command to make hatch union. Whether you can keep separate also, no issue. Let this XTC command and provide scaling, hatch scale. Okay, this is okay. And I will keep light color. Good enough. We are getting something like this. Let this hatch command will provide hatch over the wall. Okay, and just place inside something like this. We are getting over the window. Simply we can trim something like this. Same again we are getting here also. Let this trim. Okay, now we will place here also, but we will keep different color. Let this here also and here also, and it will come something here also. So we are getting something like this. This part we are getting more brighter, so better to keep any light color. Rest of the part you are getting inside, you are hatching, simply trim. Okay, same again here also. Now okay, so this hatch we are getting more brighter. Let this any light color. Okay, something like this. Okay, we are getting our front elevation. We will provide leveling like ground floor, roof floor, parapet over here. So this is our ground floor. Okay, let this scale. As you can see here, your complete elevation front side is ready. This is the best professional way to make elevation something like this. Must practice 10 times. You will learn smoothly how to make like this elevation in very much faster way. To proceed this method, must install YQArch plugin. I will add in description. You can very smoothly download and you can proceed further. Must download YQArch Ultimate Guide. This book will help you a lot to speed up your work in AutoCAD. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have anywhere any doubt, leave your comments. As soon as possible, I will reply your queries. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.